Good morning. How are you? I hope your day's going well. We've had some nice weather. We're going to go up the mountain, and we're out here in Colorado in the Rocky Mountains. We're going to go up the hill here. No chains today, I'm very pleased to say. So let's go. Let's go truck driving. Come on along. I'll show you how. All right. Oh, that's a little. Let's try. Okay, up the hill, let's go. All right. So we're west of Boulder, Colorado, and I got a customer up here. We got to go try this. You can kind of see it's sharp curves. This car coming down the hill, and I want to let him get around because I won't get around that corner because I need extra room there. So we'll slow up a little. Our truck's struggling now to get going. She slowed way down. All right, it's a 10-mile-an-hour curve, and we got to swing wide to keep our trailer off the guardrail. There we go. Up the hill, in good shape here. Last week we had some brutally cold weather and some snow in Cheyenne, and down here on the Front Range they had some snow. But today is gorgeous. It's like 65 degrees. And it's a steep old hill here. It takes a lot of grunt to get our load up the hill. I'm heavy. I'm weighing about 79,100 pounds. I got to keep the trailer wide. Keep it out of their lane, keep it in my own lane, do a good job. Don't let the wheels drag off the side of the mountain either. That's not a good scene. And take care of things up here. You've come up here with me different times where I've been chained up to get up here. You can have days where you really have to earn it to get up the hill. Today is just really nice. I think we got about, I don't know, 4 miles, 5 miles up to the customer location after we leave the main road. There's a lot of water here. This is hard to keep the. You really got to push it over. Keep it on your side. Narrow, little nasty little road here. I like the challenge of it though. See where the pickup goes. Whoa! I can't remember. I keep thinking the speed limit's like 25 or 30 on this road, and I might be the only person on this road going at the speed limit or below. Actually, probably below it a little. This little corner right here can be a real problem when it's snowy. Of course, we're going to have a good day today on that corner, and that's nice. We have to watch for oncoming traffic real hard and then get it in the right gear before we start up the hill, because this hill's so nasty that is very difficult to shift gears on it without coming to a stop. So nobody's coming. We're going to get on the wrong side of the road, kind of. It's the only way. And then this is a nasty, steep, short little dig right here. So we don't want to shift gears on this hill, so we get it in the right gear beforehand and just let it eat for a while. And I gotta make sure nobody's coming around this corner because I need the whole road. I'm very the trailer's dragging clear over against the other side of the road, and I'm clear over on this side of the road. So you have to really look hard to see that nobody else is coming. Sometimes people wait for you, and sometimes they insist that they go right now, and so you have to deal with, take whatever you get in them deals. Oh, he's gonna take the whole road. Okay. Been nice if he'd have sat in his driveway for just a minute there, but we'll work with it. He didn't look, he just come out, didn't understand what you're dealing with, so. But we got it done. It's hard to get a truck started again, you know, the clutch and drivetrain rear ends all gotta take the force and start up that much weight again on that steep of a hill. It's not a good situation. If you got a chance to just let that truck get around the corner and finish processing by you, you know, it's a big help to us. So and then there's people that are scared of trucks, scared of trucking, you know, worrying, and you know, I've driven truck my whole life. It's what I've done, and I have a healthy respect for everything that I'm doing, going on around me. But no, I'm not scared of it. No. See it on through here. I did get a new camera. It's a DJI. I got several of them, and I'm working hard to get onto them real good. I think they work pretty good. All right. Okay. I'm going to be coming up to the customer location in another mile. You know, it's just a short little distance. You drive about 100 miles to get here or something, and then the last couple of miles is the hard part. You got to make it the whole way, though. Close isn't good enough. You got to get all the way there. That's what we're doing. They got a little trail up here. See the bicycle trail, off-road bicycle trail. Looks real interesting. That's why the pedestrian sign. I think you can walk it or ride bike on it. It goes across right here. All right. We're going to call the customer, so I'm going to get in here and deliver, and I'll get right back with you, and I will show you what it might look like getting down out of here. We'll see what else we can do. All right, we got unloaded, and I'm going to get down off the mountain now, back into town here. I got the gate, auto gate. That's nice. we go. I don't know how it works. We get on a pad, or maybe a light sensor sees us. I don't know. Works for me. All right, here we go. The day just keeps getting nicer. Yeah. That sky looks like it's wallowing around to do things maybe, but just right here, right now where I'm at, I'm doing good. Some people walking up here. Give them some space with their dogs. Or a dog, I don't know. Enjoying the day too. A little hike in the mountains with your dog. You can see there's a lot of snow in the shadows from just the other day. Speed limit 20. I'm running 15 here. Seeing it through here. Okay, it says people walking, speed limit 15 miles an hour. I'm pulling that tanker today, and I always pull tankers, and that's what I like to do is pull a tank, especially in Wyoming with the high winds. You know, that when there was one upset laying on its side up there just south of Cheyenne this morning. The wind took over and it laid over on a bridge, and they had to pull it back. Still laying on its side, they had to hook 2 tow trucks to it and pull it down the highway on its side until they got it off the bridge, and then pull it over to the median out of the way and open the road again because they couldn't. I mean, if they set it back up in a high wind, the wind just tip it right back over. So because it was that kind of a wind event going on there, and so dragging it down the interstate on its side to get it out of the way, and that's what you got to do to get the road open. They'll wait till the wind goes down, and then they'll get that truck out of there. Here is another person enjoying the sunshine today. You know, we got to get back on the road. We got to get off this side road, back on the main road. And this is got a nasty little culvert over here, and if you don't keep the trailer wide, it'll drag off. There's a car coming. Whoop, whoop, shut her down. A little Kia. All right, let's go. And when the tanker not only it handles our Wyoming winds real well. When I get where I'm going, I bring everything with me. I have my own pump and my own hoses, and there isn't a line, wait your turn or something, and or you got to wait for the forklift and somebody's using it across the yard somewhere else for an hour or something. When you get where you're going, you can unload. You can unload right now, so you don't have to rely upon other people generally to make that happen. A lot of locations you never speak to anybody. You get there, unload, put your paper in the box, and drive away, and you don't. You aren't looking for anybody to sign papers. A lot of it you do. You have to what the customer wants and what the whole account setup is, but for the most part, you get to load when you get there. You get to unload when you get there. It's not as working on a dock, So I like the easier stuff better. Utilize my time more, and so I pulled tankers exclusively for 27 years or something. So I've pulled a van trailer here or there, maybe, a handful of times, but not much. So keep the trailer off the rocks. Get her down the hill. Look hard now, look hard. You gotta get her around this corner. Let's see if anybody's coming. No. All right, so swing wide. Keep the trailer off the rocks behind me. 10-mile-an-hour curve. And I'm going to take the whole road again, right here. My trailer is just going to swing clear down deep against the guardrail. So you look hard when you're coming down. Nobody's coming. See it through. And then the trailer comes back around behind me again on that curve. So we're going to drive along the reservoir. Is it Boulder Creek Canyon? Boulder Canyon Creek, something like that. I'll show it to you. See it through here. All right. Well, we're going to roll out on Interstate 80. Cheyenne, go to the yard, finish up our day. It sure has been a good day. Get her done here, get to the yard. I hope your day is going well and you've had some nice weather where you're at and got on through the winter in good shape yourself as well. Bye now.